Hey guys, it's Renee. Welcome to this rainbow phone case DIY. This one is pretty cute and easy to make. The first thing that I'm going to be using is this phone case. It's pretty old, as you can see. It used to be clear, but I just paint over it each month, and so it's not clear anymore. But feel free to use a white one to begin with, because we're going to be painting this anyways. To paint this, I'm going to be using this white acrylic paint and my brush, and I'm going to cover the whole thing, giving this a few coats until it's opaque enough. And this is how I'm letting it dry. Then, because we're going to be making a rainbow here, we need 6 lines, and I'm marking where I'm going to be placing all of them. And I'm just going to be marking 6 with my ruler and my mechanical pencil. And yeah, this is 7 centimeters wide, and I'm just going to be working with 6 spaces. So I just went ahead and divided the whole thing. Then with my ruler, I'm just going to be working with the lines themselves. Once I've done that, I'm just going to be working on the clouds, and this is what I'm doing for them, drawing 3 shapes like this. I'm going to be working with a few acrylic paints, the colors of the rainbow. And first I use my red acrylic paint and my brush, and it's pretty much for every color. And here I'm jumping to the yellow one because the red one was still fresh, so I just needed to wait to apply the orange one, so my acrylic paints wouldn't blend. And I'm pretty much doing the same thing for the blue one as well. It's pretty much the same for all of them. This blue one I mixed with a bit of white, and then I'm adding here the purple one. Then in here I'm just covering the clouds that I drew with my white acrylic paint. Once it's done, I'm just going to be adding some gloss on top. I'm using the one by Sculpey, giving this a couple of coats to make this nice and shiny and just protect it. And it's going to make the whole thing blend together. And yeah, this is how I'm letting it dry. And yeah guys, this is pretty much the phone case that I want to share with you. I really like it. I loved how it turned out. It's one of the easiest and I think cutest that I've done so far. Yeah, I just want to go for something rainbow because I love rainbows, and I want to share this now to celebrate Pride Month. So yeah, hopefully you like this too. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Check out more phone cases I have on my channel and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later and take care. Bye!